Hey guys, thank you for purchasing Google Business Extractor tool from Lead Booster. In this video, we're going to see how this tool works and how to make complete use of it. So after purchasing a tool, you will be given a link to download it. And after downloading, this is how the file would look. So before extracting this file, there are three things that you'll have to remember. Firstly, make sure that your antivirus is disabled because our tool would not run if your antivirus is on. So make sure you disable it. And secondly, make sure your internet is on. So only if your internet is on, our tool works because this is basically Google Business Extractor tool and we're going to extract all the data from Google. So your internet must be on. And thirdly, make sure you're working it on a PC because our tool is supportive on PC only. So if you're good with these three things, you're good to go. So I've already extracted this file, but in order to extract it, all you have to do is click on extract all here. So once you extract it, click on the Google Business Extractor tool right here and click on run. Since I've already downloaded a Google Business Extractor tool in my system, I'm being open to this page. But if you're downloading it for the first time, you will be receiving this pop-up while opening it. So you don't have to worry, guys. If this opens up, make sure you call or WhatsApp to the number that we've given in the description box or the one that is up here in the video, and we will help you out by giving you the name to enter and the key. So once we give you the name and the key to enter, all you have to do is copy and paste it right here. So that's it. This is how the key would look like. You can WhatsApp us and we will give you it and you can paste it right here and click on register. That's it. Okay. So, and you'll be open to this page. And again, since I've already used it, this page right here is full. But don't worry guys, if it's empty for you all, it's just nothing. Since I've already used it, this information is present here. So basically, in order to start, all you have to do is click on add category. So what is add category? So if you're doing a business, if you're having a sports shop and you want information regarding the other sports shops in and around you or in this world, all you have to do is enter the category that you want the information about. So basically, location is nothing but where you want the information from which part of the world you want the information from. So you can enter any country right here. I'm entering India. And you can see multiple states here. And if you want information from Tamil Nadu, you can click on Tamil Nadu. And if you want it from Kerala, you can click on Kerala. It's up to you guys. Wherever you want the information from, you can check it off. So I'm good with Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So I'm just going to check those two boxes. I'm going to click on OK. And that's it. And once you've entered these two, make sure you check these two boxes and click on get data. This pop-up comes because since I've already used the tool here, it's asking if you want to replace the previous task. I would be clicking on yes, and y'all would not have that problem. If y'all just click on get data, y'all will receive all the data. So in the meantime, I'll explain how useful this tool is, guys. You can just enter the keywords, enter the category, and in the comfort of your home, you can get all the information that is around you from Google. So you can, since you've entered sports shops, you're going to get the business name, the address, city, state, everything related to sports. Look right here, guys. Everything. Since I've entered Kerala right here, I'm entering information about Kerala. But you'll have to wait for a while. Look, guys. Everything. Since I've entered India, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, I'm getting every information that is around me. So guys, you can see right from the business name, right from the address, the state, and even the phone numbers of the people are being displayed here. Isn't it amazing? Even the map link, the details, everything is here, right here, guys. So since I've entered the keyword sports here, I'm getting all the information regarding sports shops here. So it's up to you guys. If you'll enter textile here, you'll be getting all the information regarding textile. So since it's just a tutorial video, I'm going to stop it right here. I'm okay with these 5 information that I've got. So it's up to you guys. You can wait for a while. You can go ahead and do your work, and this will download everything. And okay, so since you've got this, you want it as an Excel file, right? In order to use it easily. So in order to do that, you have to click on select all. And before you click on export, make sure you go to the settings and check if the file format for data export data is in the Microsoft Excel format. So for most of you all, it would be in CSV. So make sure you change it to Microsoft Excel. And the columns to export, whichever columns you want to export. If you do not want to export the longitude and the latitude, you can just uncheck it. It's up to you all guys. So I'm good with this. I'm going to click on OK. And I'm going to click on export. You can name the file. I'm going to name it sports Google info. Click on save. And that's it, guys. It is so simple. And look, you can see the file right here. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to click on yes. Boom. Look, all the information has been exported to an Excel file, and all you have to do is align it well and use all this data and improve your business. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any doubt regarding it, please feel free to call to the number that is given in the description box or the one that is running right here. We are always here to help. Thank you again.